Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Daisy. Today what I have is an Alibele 22-inch straight lace wig. So I slayed this real quick. So I'm going to show you how I styled this wig and also a review on this company. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and show your girl some support and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Now this wig comes with a weaving net, and here is the wig straight out the package. I wanted to show you guys how it originally looks. I'm actually getting ready to bleach these knots, so that's why I have gloves on. And I really love this wig. When I first seen it, I was like, yes, I have to wear this. I love me a good straight wig. I believe it's Brazilian, and as you can see, I can just run my fingers through it. And I like the lace because it's a brown color lace, so it's for us brown girls. And it does seem to be pretty pre-plucked. Well, I can't talk. And here's a close-up of the inside of the wig. So I just flipped over the wig on my wig stand, and I'm going to bleach these knots. What I did notice is I made a mistake. I put too much of the cream developer. You usually use cream developer and powder mixed to bleach your knots, and it was a little bit too liquidy. That's why I did over bleach this hair, but I'm going to show you how I correct it at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I style the wig. I'm just cutting off the lace because I usually don't show that in my videos, but I'm just cutting off the lace. I usually like to put it on my head so I can see where my hairline is and exactly where the stocking cap is, so it looks the most natural. Now I did style my baby hairs and lay this wig, but you will see I have to do it all over again. I'm just using my She Is Bomb wax stick, and that is going to help the wig lay down. So every time I style straight wigs, it usually doesn't work because I have to go in and restyle it, because once I start flat ironing it, then I have to do my baby hairs and make sure the wig is secure. So if you guys are styling your wigs, just try to lay it after you flat ironed it. Because it saves a lot of time. So as you can see here, I'm just going back in with my Gots to Be Glued. It's in the yellow bottle, so it's going to give me a more stable hold. The first time I used the black bottle and it did not hold well, so I'm just going back in and laying this wig. And I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool settings for about 30 seconds. Excuse me if you see any sweat marks under my armpits. It's really hot and it's that time of month. I don't know what's going on. I usually sweat in all these lights. But back to the hair. It looks so good. Got my makeup popping, and I'm just doing those baby hairs, showing you guys how I slay those. This hair was pre-plucked, so we should be good to go. And it looks very natural. I was so excited how the parting space came out. Well, actually how the hairline came out. Back to the parting space, I am going to be fixing that. I did over bleach it a little bit, so I'm going to show you a little trick once I'm done styling the hair. So the easiest way to correct over bleached knots is just take some of your old mascara and just put that mascara along the hairline where you see the brown marks. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. Last but not least, I'm going to go into my parting space, and I'm going to take some pressed powder and just put that all throughout the parting space so it gives it a more natural look, and it also covers up some of that brassiness color. So this wig is absolutely gorgeous. What I did was I did wash the unit and I bleached the knots, and I didn't do any plucking, and this is how the hairline looks. It looks absolutely amazing. I did style some baby hairs. If you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to do it. It does look really natural if you don't want baby hairs, but I like this style. And as you can see, the hair is super flowy. I did use my She Is Bomb wax stick. What I do is just put it all over the parting space, and that gets it really straight. Trust me, this is the best thing that I ever discovered. And I use my OGX Argan Moroccan oil, and I just spray that all over the unit. And oh, don't forget the heat protector, which is right here. This is by IC. It's a straightening serum. So when you put that on the hair, it makes sure that it's not damaged. And I didn't even flat iron little piece by piece because I wanted more volume. The ends need some more work, but you can always cut them off if you don't like them. But it doesn't have any problem with tangling. It did tangle a little bit when I washed the wig. I think because I didn't brush it out when I was done washing it. But now that it's straight, I could just run my fingers right through it. Over time, I do think that it will tangle though. Not even gonna lie, but so far so good. If you guys want an update, just comment below and I'll definitely give you an update. And shedding is not bad at all. Like, I'm not getting any hairs. When I did wash the hair, it did shed, but right now it's not, so that's a good thing. But overall, this hair is bomb. If you did like this video, please show your girl some support and give me a thumbs up. I believe it's Alibele hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So I want to thank you guys so much for sending me this unit, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a happy new year, and nothing else. Just have a good one. Bye.